Hello. Welcome. Jason, I have no idea what's happening with your wife, but I can make some phone calls, you know. Good morning. You know, there you go, Natasha. I know everything. Let's see, 165 possible targets. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Pandora, the giveaway, the pick is gonna be, I think, tomorrow in New York session. Not exactly sure. I have to check on the application. So we're gonna pick the winner tomorrow. If you're not on stream, don't worry. I'm gonna shout out the winner on Twitter, and I'm gonna send an email. So that's the good thing. And we're gonna have a giveaway on next week as well. So we're gonna restart a new giveaway. So giveaways all around. Green, good morning. Ollie, good morning. Naomi, welcome, Naomi. Good to see you. Alex, good morning, Alex. Yeah, a bit of a choppy price action. I was actually thinking that Trump is going to leave the NATO, and maybe we're gonna see some movement, but he didn't yet. So, let's see. Farhad, good morning. Let me check the giveaway. When is the giveaway? I totally forgot when it's gonna end. I think tomorrow, but I have to check on it. Yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Okay, so we might gonna pick the winner tomorrow in New York session or Friday London session. We'll see. Still have one day. Let me check it. Yeah, we have only 66 people entered. So you have lots of opportunities still. Anyway, let me get back to the chat here. Do you have a vid explanation? Yeah, sure. So Pandora, and I say this to anyone, if you guys go to my blog at tomsabo.biz or you visit pip.ninja, because the domain is directed to my blog as well. So if you visit my blog, and so this is my blog. I don't usually, I mean, I post my reviews and some stuff here. I just put on an article 2 days ago on my blog. This is the newest, also includes the promotion. You have everything here in this article that you can check. You know, what you can do or cannot do. Basically, everything is lined up here in my blog. So you can check it out here, right? The Discord membership is not ready yet, so don't go into the Discord membership yet. There's a Discord link somewhere. But you can check everything from Take Profit Trader on the latest promo as well. Okay. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is definitely nailing it nowadays. I just got the email. It's here somewhere. Here you go. I just received it like 9 minutes ago. 9 minutes ago I received it. Congratulations, your account was approved by. So I just got the pro account. I just have to pay the 130 activation fee. So that's a good thing. Oh, they are behind. Okay. Okay. Hey, Jonathan. Well, not really a big blogger, but I do like to use my blog to, you know, specifically to describe some prop firms or you know, if I want to address something about trading or even life itself. I didn't really update it too much lately, but now I started to put on these articles because if anyone is curious of what's happening with which prop firm, I think it's a good idea to put it on the blog. So, oh, thank you. No wonder why. Thank you so much for the support. I think Apex is pretty much going to be alive as well. I just bought more accounts with Apex too. And I submitted a payout request. It's under review. So people are still getting paid out. Obviously, denial is happening as well. Just got 200 get your growth account. Let's go. Up 1,300 for the night. Let's go. Currently, I do not have any Tradeify accounts. I would like to have. I had a funded account with Tradeify. I unfortunately blew that away. I would partially blame Tradeawait because I was having glitches with Tradeawait, mostly because of my greed and lack of discipline. But I partially blame Tradeawait. I don't feel really comfortable nowadays with Tradeawait, but I really would like to trade more with Tradeify, but they don't have a connection that I can use with Quantower. That's my problem, but still, Tradeawait. Tradeify is a good prop firm. Do people in Hungary listen to country? Not really. Not really, John Wick. Not really. Country is not so popular here in Hungary. Actually, almost like nobody listens to country music. No activation fee. Exactly, Krunel. If you are interested in the details about Take Profit Trader, you can visit my blog at tomsabo.biz. It's in there's the website, or you can go to pip.ninja. It directs you there, and I'm gonna use this now. If you guys are interested in the rules, I mean, you can go to their latest article. I have previous articles about Take Profit Trader, maybe too much. I should be posting something else as well, but the latest article I put on, you can find everything needed right now. All the questions are answered here. Everything, I think, pretty much summarized. What can you or cannot do? Good morning, Marco. Oh, thank you, Mexican John Wick. Much appreciated. Yeah, I mean, so far, MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader has no activation fee. Obviously, these are a bit pricier, but again, you don't have to worry about it, you know. By the way, if anybody would like to pick up a Tradeify account, I don't have a custom code. Unfortunately, they're just not giving me one. I don't know why. But you can still participate if you click on my link and use the current month code, which is, I think, March. Yeah. Let me just check it. The current code. Yeah, MAR. Sorry. MAR. If you use the code MAR, then it gives a bit of a credit. Thank you so much. Yes, Sausage. Oh, absolutely. Rap is popular. Yeah, absolutely. Lots of people listening rap here. Yeah. But you know, I'm stuck in the 90s and the 80s. But but yeah, absolutely. It's I love the like I don't even know. Notorious B.I.G. You know, Tupac. And TW, oh no, what was that? NWA, not TW, that's the airline. NWA. And all those stuff. Yeah. Yeah, of course. I'm always, I mean, what to do now? Look at this. Look at this. I mean, we are in a range. I mean, obviously, we cannot do much here. I mean, look at that. And not much to do with this range. You can ask away anything. Well, actually 70 points, that's not bad. That's not so bad. Let's look for Asia high. I would say, okay, that was taken. There's another level here. Can we call this Asia high? Let's just call this Asia high for now. I know there's another one higher, but let's just call it. Let's switch to the 1 minute and see what's happening. Swept the highs here, relative equal highs. No structure shift yet. Price action was, I would say, good yesterday in the New York session. We have a low and we have Asia low down there. No fair value gaps, no order blocks that interest me. Well, there's actually one, not really a good one, but 505 could be a good one. On the 15 minute, nothing that unlike. We have a fair value gap higher. Yeah, let's just wait. Let's just wait for a possible shift or continuation, right? That's what we should do. Oh, definitely 80s rock. Oh yeah, I like it. I was born in 84. Love 80s glam rock. Oh yeah, that's good too. Absolutely. Pass your first eval. Oh, sausagey, let's go. Congratulations. You know, you deserve an applause. Your first eval. $79, awesome. So we are basically generation Y, or I don't know which generation. But anyway, Natasha, you and me are in the same, you know, in the same circles. Let's go. Born in 84, Alex. A brother from another mother. Let's go, Alex. Awesome. We did it, Joe. Oh, by the way, I think there's a possible switch here. I might even gonna take a trade. Totally forgot to address this. I might even take a trade here. I'm actually really thinking about it. For micro, which account should I take it on? Woo. All right, I'm gonna take a trade. I have a sell limit order, placing it on 51.25. Sell limit order placed. I got triggered. I'm in a position. Absolutely not the best position, I know. What is happening? What is happening? There you go. And the take profit 649. I would like to go for, okay, 1 to 2 if it gets there. All right, I'm gonna let you guys know why I took this trade in a second. All right, it might gonna go down, not a big deal. $75. 9.95 will be 30 this year. Let's go, Pandora. Absolutely. Yeah, 2004. Let's go, sausagey. 70s. Let's go, Sarah. No wonder why. Well, I have to call you Natasha. Natasha is in a cell. Yeah. So there was a structure shift. We swept liquidity up here. So I was looking for shorts, right? Now there was a minor, not like really just a small structure shift here, and we had the fair value gap in this area. I mean, it's not the most bulletproof short position, but you know, even if it's just a range trading session, there's a good chance that we go down into this small pocket of liquidity right here. I mean, why not, you know? So, oh man, I hate when this happens. I still have to line up with Quantower properly. But anyway, that was the, how should I say, entry criteria for my trade. And so I took it. You see your entry, you just take it. I started the stream with this, Jason. I said, if you want, I can make some phone calls, Jason, and we're gonna find your wife. So, up to you. I might or might not have any information. Who knows? Penetrated, but inverted head and shoulders has formed into. Oh yeah. DL Zinga is gonna be 30. Oh, DL Zinga, trust me. From 30 to 40, it's gonna be like this. Look at here. Boom. That's gonna be 30 to 40. Boom. It just happened. Boom. Like it never happened, actually. From between 30 to 40, from my experience, is gonna be like 1 year. Like it never really happened. That's how it is, unfortunately. And you know, when I was much younger, some older people always told me, obviously, to, man, the time is gonna fly much faster. I was like, yeah, sure. It does. It does. I'm saying this to you guys who are still in your 20s or younger. Man, time is flying super fast. Super fast. I mean, just... there you go. The only thing that matters is how much you feel. What's on the desk? It's a secret, man. Yeah, 30s is the new 20s. And 40s is the new 30s, I guess. Oh, no, Sarah. Don't say that. 36. Yeah, exactly. Oh, yeah, Niglet, I know. 47. Oh, let's go. March 9, you're going to be 47. Happy birthday. That's going to be a nice Sunday. Mexican John Wick is going to be 47 on Sunday. Let me wish you, with all the blessings, a happy birthday. And I hope you have a great Sunday. Ah, I see. A secret man. No, there's no secret man here. Recording 4 blades on Smith. Your was oh, on the February 21. Happy birthday. You know what? I'm gonna give an applause to Natasha and Mexican John Wick. I like to call him Mexican John Wick. Happy birthday. It's still valid. You already feel old green. Right. Oh. Great vibes. All right. I like to have everybody in the chat with great vibes as well. Oh, Collie Boy. You know what? Happy birthday, Collie Boy. It's still valid technically. What? Dan K as well? Alright, who else has a birthday? We really have to catch this up, you know. Alright, one more applause to Collie Boy, Dan K, Natasha, Mexican John Wick, and whoever has or had a birthday within the next couple of weeks or past that. But no, really, happy birthday to everyone. I didn't see what happened on Top Step TV. All I saw is a post on Twitter that popped up that they rock pulled the guy from because he was in 15 minis on a trade with no stop loss, and they just kicked him out or something. That's all I saw. Like, what? What is happening? I mean, no problem with Top Step. They are an awesome company, but you know, I'm sure that if that's the way that the guy trades with 15 minis with no stop loss, they should have seen it before calling him onto the live stream, but I'm no expert. Thank you, Mexican John Wick. Oh, yeah, he was doing max contract and they kicked him. Yeah. He's trading with Apex, I think, mostly, or he just got independent because he was pushing Take Profit Trader and Apex too. So he might not be exclusively for Apex Trader, but he pretty much got independent, like I am. I'm your independent influencer. No, I'm not. I'm not an influencer. Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely. There's gonna be a meet and greet somewhere in some fancy hotel. Everybody from the chat is gonna be there. All right, I pay for the room and the drinks and the food. Okay. It's so far in the green, so I'm in a short, but I was hoping some faster price action to the downside. Rebecca, hey, good to see you. Just let it flow. It was a live account. Oh. Yeah, by the way, that's an interesting thing, Naomi. If it was a live account, why do they care if he got paid? He gets paid from the market, so he can do whatever he wants. I mean, I don't know. I guess they want to look good by endorsing proper risk management and stuff. But you know, if I put myself to being a prop firm CEO and I have live traders who are being paid out from the market, I would say, hey guys, you know, do what you want as long as it prints money. I don't care. Like, right? TLA trader, welcome. Almost like a swinger party. Almost. Details are being shared on OnlyFans. Daily loss limit set to 3.5k and he lost the trade. Oh, I think they put him to 1500 now. More, it was basically gambling with no stop. Yeah, mostly because of the image. Yeah, high risk traders, right? Tell me about it. Tell me, what is up with this trade, man? This is not what we agreed upon, NQ. I have a bad feeling that it might want to go up to Asia high, but what can I do? Well, Sarah, yeah, I guess this is the world that's happening nowadays. Everybody keeps changing the rules. But yeah, I mean, that's a lot of risk for a trade. Like 3.5k for one single trade. I guess he was looking at the big numbers, you know, how much money is he spending on combine accounts and XFA activations and stuff, you know, how much is his win to loss ratio. I think he was looking at the prop firm game, not just the trades, but the prop firm game too. Jeff, hey there, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Oh my god, I was really hoping that this one is gonna waterfall down. And it's just not doing it. Well, I tried. I have my New York coffee mug here. Which, at this coffee mug traveled all the way from China to New York, where I bought it, and I brought it back to Hungary. So this coffee mug traveled a lot. By the way, Apex Trader did something totally that we never expected. They extended the sale for the 80% off. So still 80% off, I think, until the 14th or the 12th. I don't even know. So they're extended the sale. I guess they're competing with Bulenox pretty much. Taking one of my border collies to do it. Oh! On your exam. Nice! How's she doing? I mean... I really, really like dogs and cats too. Doing great. All right. Great, great. I'm not liking this short, to be honest. If it can close below 39, that would be awesome. I would even move my stop to 56 if it would have a closed candle below 39.25. Jay says, passed my 18th Apex account yesterday. Whoa. And 300k. He is playing with big numbers there. Stop before 16 before. I'm going for 2 more 300ks. Congratulations, man. Oh, wow. That is, at least you have a lot of wiggle room, you know, you can go with. That is awesome, Jay. Congrats. Well, what kind of news we have? I usually don't stream the news because I'm not trading the news. We have ADP non-farm, okay. And we have 10 a.m. news, ISM service. I'm not sure. Maybe. I was sometimes thinking about it that maybe I should start the stream some days earlier, somewhere around the 7 or 8 a.m. session. I don't know. Maybe I should. Come on, NQ, just drop. The weather is crazy, by the way, here. It was minus 5 degrees Celsius in the morning. And they're saying it's going to be 18 or 20 degrees Celsius during like the day or by afternoon. So that's a lot of difference between the morning and the afternoon. $30. Wow. $1,500 towards the 6. Oh, that's nice, Jonathan. I think you should, yeah, you should just call it there because 1500 is absolutely a good step. So you should you know, recharge, recalibrate, and go for the next session or whatever. 33? Wow. I mean, interesting weather conditions for sure here as well. I mean, as I said, during the morning, it's negative 5 degrees. And now, there you go. And now it's just gonna be over 20. Anyway. Never seen a snow? Wow. Well, when I was a kid, we were having much more snow, but nowadays snow disappeared. I don't know. Global warming, I guess. What did you have? Growth, advanced, direct funding account. I had a direct funding account with Tradeify. $33. Yeah, I mean, today we're gonna have, yeah, yeah. If that's a question for green, yeah. Degree, yeah. Singapore, Sarah is in Dubai, wow. Oh, I really want to visit Dubai, I really do. I really do. Switzerland, I have no problem with cold. To be honest, I'm more likely a cold weather person, so I like cold weather more than the hot summer. If I go out on a hot summer day, I just stop functioning. I tell that my brain stops functioning. I cannot think, I cannot breathe, I cannot do anything. I just feel miserable on the hot summer sun. Like, I'm immediately searching for some cool area or whatever. I can't stand in the heat. So I'm mostly liking those places where it's a little bit colder. But hey, I still love Florida, Dubai, whatever. I want to visit those places. Maybe I can lose some weight, you know, it's just gonna melt down from me. Yeah, not cheap. Yeah. Everybody is rich in Dubai, right? Let's go together. I'm down. I'm down. 5 minutes at a time, scalping 3-5 per trade. Trade to the trend, pull back in the trend, and stop out at 15 points loss. That's actually a good strategy, if you can handle it. Bowser is here! Whoa, like the emoji. How you doing, Bowser? Good to see you. What is happening with NQ? We just stopped here. I think you will melt in your country. Yeah, I will. Oh, sorry. I definitely would like to go to Dubai. Oh, definitely, Natasha. I am planning actually to go to Switzerland because I can actually drive there anytime I want, and now I have a car that actually can take me there. So I definitely want to look around in Switzerland. It's within reach, you know. I just go to the highway, boom, Switzerland. No time. He thinks market make. Oh yeah, that's actually a good strategy, Jonathan. Hey, Josef. When is power hour? Power hour is usually between 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Yes, exactly. Zoltán, üdvözöllek, szia. Quick Hungarian here. Van is, meg nincs is. Amikor felmegy a link és nem fizetett ki, én például múltkor nem fizettem ki, aztán eltűnt a link, és több hétig úgy hagytam. Tehát nem foglalkoztam vele, mert el is felejtettem. Aztán szóltam a ügyfélszolgálatnak, hogy aktiválják újra, és akkor aktiválták a linket, és befizettem. Tehát a válasz az, hogy én egy hónapig is, tehát eltűnt a linkem, és utána újra aktiváltattam. és működött. Szóval igazából semmi gond, ha elmegy a link. Zoltan was asking about the Bulenox activation time. How much time one has with the activation. I mean, if you already have 3 master accounts activated, the link is going to be in pending mode. But if you don't activate the link, it's going to be on there for a week, sometime for a week, and then it disappears. And just yesterday, or it was, no, it was not yesterday, it was on Monday, I had the link down there, and I just sent a message to support that please activate my link, my activation link, and so they did. So I was able to pay the master account. I passed it like almost a month ago, and I just actually forgot to activate it because I was trading on other accounts, and now it's active. So magyar idő szerint délután, bocsánat, este 9 és 10 óra között, József. Oh, definitely. A lot of stuff. All right. Natasha. Let's go. The Holy Grail. Yeah, I just gave him the secret sauce. Igen, a legjobb, hogyha írsz nekik. Let's see what is going on. Let's see what is going on. Oh man, this it's not. I was hoping for that drop. It's not happening, man. I tried, but it's not happening. Anyway. I feel like this is just gonna accumulate more positions to spike higher to Asia high. Look at all these rejections here. It's just not able, not even to rebalance this imbalanced price range from 544. We're just hovering. So next account 1 day, but kept buying MyFundedFutures, try activating subscription for Bulenox. It's not available anymore. Yeah, so what you have to do, Jonathan, is you have to send the support ticket. That's what I did. And they will going to put the activation link back into the dashboard, and you can pay the activation. Obviously, it's money for them, so they are intended to do that, hopefully. I had the same situation. I passed the Bulenox account last month, and the link was in the dashboard, but I haven't really watched it or didn't really care about it. It was there for a week or so, and after that, it's gone. And I thought, okay, whatever. And 3 weeks after that it was down, the link, I just sent them a message and they put it back on, and I activated it. So yeah, this price action is well, power hour is like, I would say that you know, big players or institutions trying to close their positions, and they're due some, so volume actually kicking in if they want to reach their specific price level or range. Small algorithms, you know, come to life and usually there is a surge in volume by these institutions in the last hour, and we see more action. Especially if there's a slow day, there should be a little bit more action in the last hour. But it's not always, like, it's not mandatory, but especially in the last 15 minutes or 10 minutes. And especially in the last 5 or 10 minutes, I think the final macro is kicking in 5 or 10 minutes before the close. And you can actually see it spiking all around, you know, in the final hour, final 5 to 10 minutes. You can see some crazy moves sometimes. Big players want to put their or close down their positions at their targets or at their preferred levels, and they're moving the market, or just want to sweep some orders what they see still left on the table. So sometimes what I did, not that I trade power hour, but sometimes what I do or did is I'm looking for possible liquidity areas in the last 15 minutes, and usually that's where the algorithm or the macro will go to sweep orders quickly before the close. What a price action, man. I totally got sold on this short position, and I thought that this is gonna be it. But you know what? I'm gonna take the full stop loss on this. So I'm not gonna change anything. We're just gonna look for the next trade. Yeah, yesterday was actually yesterday was good price action in my opinion. Yesterday was a really good price action. I had a beautiful trade by the end. So come on. Come on. Let's go down. I want to see it go down. Come on. Evening was, PM session was good too. I checked back on the charts. Oh no, OG beats is long. You can still be good maybe. I mean, we're, you know, if we zoom out, we're technically in a range. So we're just picking up inside liquidity. Maybe it just sweeps these lows and starts to go higher. You know, we still have Asia higher there. We're back to the midnight area. There is a 15-minute bullish order block low. No, not 15 minutes, sorry. Is that a 5-minute? Yeah. So we have a 5-minute bullish order block low at 526. No, that's the high. The low is at 505. This is not a perfect one, but it's actually a bullish order block here. Absolutely not a perfect one, but price might want to break through, but maybe not. I'm not liking this. If you haven't already, by the way, we're gonna pick the winner tomorrow, New York session, or Friday, London. I don't even know. Go to the $100 cash giveaway link. It's in the chat or in the description right below the video or in the title. You can go to the website. It's a third-party application. You just give your name and email. You can earn some points, actually every day if you want to increase your chances. Just clicking on some websites and answering simple question, you know, earn some points. And you can win a $100 cash giveaway. Check it out. Yeah, I'm curious actually how London is gonna open up, you know. Yeah, maybe TLA. I'm not sure. Not sure. Oh man, look at this. It's just sideways. Pull back on 200 possible. Yeah. Yeah, actually that's true. I mean volume picked up pretty much yesterday, so that range could be possible. Yeah. Yes, Natasha. Well, I guess that's part of trading. Not much to do. If it takes me out with a full stop, I'll be looking for the next one. But yeah, sometimes you just have to wait. Last year in 24 was my record for a single day trade. I don't know. I mean, the whole day was just a huge range. It took me 6 hours to hit the take profit. 6 hours from London session all the way to New York session. 6 hours I was sitting in the trade. But I was like, all right, let's leave it. Oh man, back to break even. And that's why, obviously, I mean, I was thinking to maybe swing trade, right? Yeah, Natasha, that was absolutely, I was like, what? So I just left the computer. And that's why I was thinking about swing trading. I know some people who are swing traders and they put on 1 or 2 trades a week and they just hold on to it, sometimes even for a week, or I mean days, or even a week or something. And I just don't know. And they say it's absolutely less stressful and super easy, and I get it, but the problem is the time. So I put on 2 trades in a week, and for example, I lose those trades. Obviously, it's harder to make a living from swing trading. If you swing trade, that should be absolutely your part-time or secondary income, or whatever. With day trading, I think you can achieve an active income, monthly income. But with swing trading, you can only do that if you have a big capital. I don't know. Pull back to accumulate long for break Tuesday. Oh yeah, Jay, I agree. And look at this. That's just terrible. Exactly, Natasha. Me too. Me too. I'm the same. Like, I need the adrenaline, Yeah, Ollie, good question. I would say London is pretty interesting nowadays. I mean, the same thing was happening in December, and then I just don't know. I have a feeling that this is just gonna pump higher, especially as we're getting closer to the London Open. So yeah, it has actually rebalanced this area, and now it wants to push it, unfortunately. So we'll see. Let's look at gold quickly. What was happening on gold? Looks like a bull flag on the 15-minute. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Looks like to me that gold just wants to push it higher, but it took out the PM session high. Well, you know, it might want to grab liquidity. Hard to say of what's happening with gold. It looks like bearish now. If I look at the 1 minute, just shifted lower, and if one wanted to enter a trade here, this was the opportunity. Look at that. This would have been a nice trade on gold. And I missed it. Anyway, I'm not going to look at it. Too much FOMO. What's happening at the moment on the MNQ after New York Open? Possible to open a position more than 3. I mean, what's happening? Well, yesterday was a New York session with lots of volume. Like, look at this drop. And this was only in the... Where was the market open? So here was the market open. Went down 300 points. From the bottom of the session, we ended up going up 650 points. And from there, down another 400 points. So lots of liquidity has been injected to the market. And at times like these, well, you can accept crazy moves. You have to downsize your position before it does something crazy, you know. And Trump was speaking. I thought that he's gonna exit the NATO. I was actually made a bet. I made a bet with someone. I lost 20 bucks. I said I bet 20 bucks that he's gonna leave the NATO because rumors were circulating. Yeah, Jay, I agree. Exactly. Have you ever tried the orb strategy as the method command? Not really. I tried, but with less success. I don't. Not because I think it's bad. Obviously, it can make money, so that's a good thing. I was just like steered away into this other direction with the fair value gaps. I do like the gap theory. I really like the gap theories. I like the classic 2022 ICT entry model is somewhat always stayed in the center of my entry model, what I use or which I choose. And yeah, the gap theory combined with order blocks and with the YouTube 2022 entry, I do like it. But I'm also testing indicators with moving averages, so more or less success. Well, I mean, I would say in the positive territory. Max 2 trade per day. Actually, what Joseph just said is basically the thing I'm trying to do as well. And ladies and gents, this is a really key takeaway. When I started trading, I heard this from much more experienced traders. Everybody was saying, take 1 or 2 trades a day. And I was like, are you mental? Why would I take one trade a day? That's stupid. That's actually stupid. Why just 1 or 2 trades a day? That's actually stupid. And I'm starting to see that it has something in it, because especially when you're winning a nice trade, you know, if you're winning a trade, a very good trade, for example, then you should not continue to trade on that particular account, because if you lose the next one, that's going to hurt you more, because you know how happy were you when you and you want the position, and now you're giving back your profit, and actually that's going to hurt you more emotionally. So what you can do, and that's what I'm doing, if I have a nice winning trade on a funded account, for example, my first trade is a nice winner, I'm leaving that. I'm switching to another funded account, or I'm switching to an evaluation account that I'm working on. That's what I do, and that's how I try to ease my adrenaline or dopamine addiction or whatever. I'm switching to a different account. That's what I do. So I try to trade once or twice on each account on a day, but obviously partially because I like to stream as well. It's my business also, and because I like to trade, what I do is switch to a different account, and I'm not really copy trading. For example, yesterday I was scalping on a Take Profit Trader account after a stream. I had 2 beautiful scalps for $500 on a 50K account. And I was like, okay, moving to another account. So I moved to a MyFundedFutures account. My account, not MyFunded, a Bulenox account. And that's what I did. So for example, here's my 2 Bulenox accounts that I activated. Let me show you. Yesterday, I scalped $395 on one Bulenox funded account. And I was like, super awesome, nice start, almost $400. What I did, I switched to the other Bulenox account. I scalped another $262 and I left it there. That's it. That's what I did, for example, yesterday. One Bulenox account, made 400, switched to the next one, 260, boom, and that's it. And then I moved to a Take Profit Trader account, which is the trade right now. And I pushed it up from 1,500 to 2,000 in profit. So I think it's a very good thing to manage your emotions. This trade is gonna be a full stop. Time base, moving average down for equivalent futures, tick charts using moving average. Oh, I see. But yeah, I tend to hear more and more about the tick charts with futures. We got 2-4 trades per day and finito. Exactly. Yeah, less exposure. Yeah, obvious. Yeah, exactly. So the more you you know, guys, if you guys following me on Twitter, I just put this on yesterday. I retweeted it. This is really something I like.
All right, today we're going to talk about how we can find out and how much we can find out and what it takes to get there. So first we have to decide how much do we want to find out. So let's say in this case, I want to find out at a level of 7. Okay, so I find that level on my graph and I come horizontally to my gradient line. Where it intersects with my gradient line, I'm going to come straight down to where it intersects with my fuck around line. Now there is going to tell me how much I have to fuck around to find out what I need to find out. See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out. And also, if you stay down here and you never fuck around, you'll never find out. So I hope this lesson is helpful. Thank you.
Exactly. The more you F around, the more you find out. So the more you F around in the market and doing all kind of crazy stuff, the more you're going to find out how the market is really, really behaving. So that's exactly how trading goes. Camille. What? What is happening there, Camille? What is that? Is the what is going on? What kind of what? Jesus. Well, you know, hold on, and you know, Cyclone Alfred. All right, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, I'm reading it. Oh, my God. Okay, so you better take care of yourself, Camille. Man, okay. Yeah, take care of yourself and your family. I'll be with you in thoughts. And hey, let us update if you can go online. I hope everything's gonna be fine there. I really, really hope it's gonna be. It's not gonna be that big a deal. Hopefully, yeah. Let us know. Let us know. Let us know. I'm actually surprised how I'm still in this trade, to be honest. Oh my god. This trade, man. Almost got me. Look at my stop there. Oof. I mean, that was the London Open, right? Camille, I'm really no troll. I'm honestly, I'm keeping you in my thoughts, and I hope it will pass away real quick and with no issues. So let us know. Let us know. You made it by your chin chin hair now. You get yeah. Yeah, it was. I mean, I don't know. I hope we will get it. Hit the TP. Come on. For everybody who took the trade. All right. We only play songs and the sound effects when we hit the TP. When we hit the stop loss, we just don't talk about it. So that way, it seems like that all the trades are winner on the stream, I think. This was a very, very interesting start for the London session. All right. Wow. Yeah, this was interesting. But I'm gonna wait for the next trade because, you know, if you F around, you find out. So I don't want to F around to find out more. I just want to wait for a proper setup. I just love getting swept and seeing the trade. Oh, I hope you made some. I mean, still, Natasha is still holding. She's still in it. We had SMT on the 1 hour. I mean, as I said on the 5 minute, if you switch to the 5 minute here, this here is a 5 minute bullish order block or demand zone. Now the low of this is 505. I'm not saying that we're gonna break the 505 just now, but that's an interesting area on the 5 minute right there. So Martin saying going on 506 3 a.m. open. Let's go. Oh yeah, seems like. So pretty much seems like 518 could be in the cards. Oh yeah, I know you're doing that. Waldo, what's happening? Good to see you, Waldo. All is good. Good to have you back. How was your day yesterday or the day before? Or how was your weekend? Come on, man. Everybody's talking about like, hey, this Waldo guy. How was his weekend? And I said, hey, never showed up. Who knows? But he's here. Nice. All right. Oh, I just got the certificate. I mean, I received one before, but I received a certificate from Take Profit Trader. I haven't. Let me check it. I received one before. I think I did because I had the pro account before, but that's closed. This is my. This is gonna be my second pro account. What? Please. Whoa! Jose Fidalgo just subscribed to the channel. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you, thank you. Welcome to the stream. NQ is heavy. Yeah, feels heavy for sure. Gonna drop harder. Oh, nice. Certificate. CEO of Take. Did you guys know that the CEO of Take Profit Trader is James Sixsmith? James Sixsmith. He's the CEO. That's an interesting name. Sixsmith. All right. Yeah, Pro is funded. Yeah. Gold is on a rocket? Oh, it is. It is. Hey, Ollie. What's up? What's up? How long you waited for? I passed 2 days ago, but I had to flip the account once yesterday. Yeah, yesterday I had to flip it once. And yeah. But this is my second funded account with Take Profit Trader. So this is my second funded account. Do I have 2 accounts now? I don't even know. Or third? I don't even know. So this account, the 150K, I closed it. So I withdraw my I withdraw 50% of the safety net, plus I took the profit. And now I have this one. There seemed to be an issue. Oh, because I passed it yesterday. Okay, all right, never mind. Because I passed yesterday another one, I think. Yeah. Oh, sorry. We're still on gold. Break even. Oh, look at that. We're going to 505. What's happening? You get out of break even? Now I think it should go down to 505 to break the... If you guys want to scalp, which I'm not going to do right now. Oh, whew, what a move here. I might going to do a scalp. I might going to do... Too late. I think it should break the 505. Yeah. It's going to break the 505. Just saying, I think it should. Jumped into a small scalp with 5 micros. Let's see what it does. Oh no. Oh no. That's why I don't like to scalp. Man. I might have to actually have to close it. I was hoping that it will go lower. Let's see. Where is that? Down at 507 maybe? Maybe. No, it's not going down. Actually, I think it wants to go higher to 63. Close the scalp there. Let's see. Is this a possible shift to the upside? I think it might be. I think it might be a possible shift. You know, to push it back to somewhere around the 60s. I mean, anything can happen. But if not, then maybe it will turn around. I'm looking for a possible entry. I'm not sure if I want to jump into a long before we're not breaking the order block low. So still not sold on that idea yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Maybe if it wants to pick up some orders from 534, it might want to go. Yeah, it might be a range trading situation. But if that's the case, well, I don't know. It feels like it might want to break lower, but that this might just gonna fail. Let's wait for a little bit here, because then it has to go down to all the way. What's that? 505 on the micro and 506 on the mini. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna wait to see what this one might want to do or gonna do. Not sure. Okay. Might go for the 60s now. Oh man, I'm tempted to maybe jump into this squeeze that might happen up to the 60s. I don't know what to do. I think it wants to go. Is it happening? I think it might want to squeeze to the 60s. I'm not sure. If that's gonna happen, well, let's wait for it. Where's the 60 marker? That's the 60s. I don't know. Feels weird. Or it's just gonna finish the move to the downside. Anyway, let me read the chat. Seek and destroy profile? Could be, but then it has to take out the high. Yeah, pre-market open is gonna tell us more about this. Should be long side. Yeah, could be. Could be. Could be, but we don't know. Question is it gonna pop the 60s now? Because there's relative equal highs up there. Could be interesting. You know. Could be interesting. Well, let's wait for it. It's not popping it yet. Or is it? Almost went up there. I'm telling you that 60 marker is holding pretty strong up there. Could be a rejection as well. If it wants to sweep some orders. Yeah, so now we're at 60. The question is, we have these relative equal highs. You know, is it gonna sweep that or not? The problem is I gave back the profit from their previous scalp, so I was up like almost 200, and now I'm back to $66 in profit. So I really have to watch out what I do here. And by the way, speaking of 2022 entry models, here was one. 1 to 2 risk to reward takes us to the highs up there. Interesting, right? Market structure shift, liquidity sweep happened, boom. So oh man, it should be taking the 77 now to complete the move. I'm not in a trade, unfortunately. I tried to scalp it for the short, and I gave back some of the profits. So I'm gonna be very, very careful now. But 77 should be taken. 82. Yeah, and we have a Asia high at 89 as well. I think it's breaking that. What a turnaround here. Interesting. There you go. Whoa, there you go. There you go. Lucky you can swim, Camille. I really hope there's not gonna be anything like that. You hit the long. Let's go, Jason. Congratulations. Oh man, I feel a bit of a FOMO because it started out really good in the morning. I did some stupid scalp and now I'm just, anyway. Maybe the next move. If this is a seek and destroy profile, let's wait for the next move. It might gonna turn back. Stop loss hit. Plus 500 on that. You trailed it. Nice. Good job. Good job. 10,000. You can see the range clearly. Oh. 10,000. I'm not gonna switch to tick chart. Everything is pretty much lined up here on my left, but I guess the tick chart is really good for determining these areas. But I'm gonna look into it later. Let me check it. The payout request, I haven't checked it with Apex. I think it's, yeah, it's still under review. May need another computer to watch both think and time charts. It's consuming a lot of memory, right? As I understand, it can consume a lot of memory. What is going on? Oh, I see. No fumble around, back and forth. I see. Okay. So you gotta focus. Alright. You gotta focus on those charts. Well, understandable. Yeah. Man, I should have taken this long. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Too late for that. But it was nice. It was a nice trade. Nice possible trade there. It was actually a valid move. The 5-minute order block technically still holding. So I'm gonna be curious as a potential target. Oops, not that. If we're gonna see a possible drop, maybe later. You know, down there. So Tom, your turnaround time from your flipping the trade on taper was within 12 hours for you to get. Yeah, no, absolutely no problem, Ali. Yesterday I passed the account in the New York AM session, and I got the email like an hour ago. So yesterday New York AM session I passed the account, flipped the account. Sorry, not passed. Sorry, flipped the account. and I got it this morning. Like, how much was it? 12 hours? I don't know. Something like that. Yeah. I got the activation email. I didn't activate it. I'm gonna activate it after the stream. I'm trading. I'm trading NASDAQ. You can see the symbol here, MNQ1. This is the 1 minute time frame. If I switch, it's gonna update. You see, it's a 5 minute time frame now. But this is micro NASDAQ. I'm trading on the micro here, but NASDAQ. And sometimes I'm trying to pick up gold. I'm trying to get familiar with gold as well. And here's gold for today. I think it's just gonna keep on pushing. But this was a particularly good trade setup, I think. Yeah. No email. I think they're behind. So I think you know, there's definitely some support team there who are doing it, and I think they're doing it manually. So I think they're absolutely in a manual mode, so it's not automated, Ali. I guess it can happen anywhere between now and even until the New York AM session, you know. So I heard someone was telling me the other day it took him for almost 2 days until, so he passed on the account with the 5 trading days on a New York session. For example, I think it was a Monday, by the way, and he got the account on a Wednesday. And he was also chatting with support on Tuesday PM session, like, where is my account? And they said, over a little bit, you know, this and that, but you're gonna get it. And he received it the other day, so it was 2 days. So that's why I'm guessing that they are doing it manually. Yeah. At least 4 computers. 1 for NQ, 1 for NQ. That's a lot of computers. Actually, I'm willing to upgrade my computer. No problem, Ollie. So you should be okay. They're doing it manually. If you don't receive it today until New York session ends, I suppose you can write them a support. I mean, on the chat, you know, on the website, they're gonna look into it, and you're gonna be fine. 1 for ES. Yeah, so I'm willing to upgrade my computer. Also, not just because of trading, but I do like to play video games a lot. I mean, not too much nowadays. I don't have the time for it nowadays, but I'm always downloading the update for PUBG or whatever, and I never get to play with it because I don't have time. But I want to upgrade my computer. I wanted to do this in during Christmas, because I want to donate my computer to a kid, because I was thinking to sell it or not, but a friend of mine who is into computers told me I better go off if I just get a new computer. And this one is still a good gaming computer, by the way. It's a good gaming computer, but I'm not gonna get that much money for it. So I'm thinking to donate this one to a kid. My girlfriend, she's teaching in elementary school, so I told her if she knows a family who is worthy but doesn't really have too much money, I might going to donate this computer. But we'll see. I have to get the new computer first and sweep all the documents from my hard drive. Yeah, great. Charting doesn't take much RAM. Just in a for addition. Oh, I see. Okay. Whatever happened to mining crypto? You know, I think mining crypto was a business like 15 years ago, maybe, or 12 or 14 years ago. Somebody told me, who is really much into crypto, that it's not a business nowadays. It's only a business when you rent like a huge storage facility and you have like hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of equipment, and a complete, you know, you have to put a complete how should I say it, like a factory not factory, but lots of computers, everything filled up, and then you can make some money with it, but not with one computer. So you really have to invest like hundreds of thousands of dollars to be able to pull money from it. But I'm no expert, so I'm no expert. High hash rate, yeah. Lots of computers. AMD cards. I don't know which one is better now. And I was reading somewhere that the new GPU card, so I was thinking, but I'm not going to spend that much money, obviously, on it. The new 5 or 50 series, RTX 50 series, the 5080, they say, I was reading some tests, and they compared the 5080 to the 4090. And they said that basically the 4090 is almost like a little bit better than the 5080. And they also said that the 4080 is almost the same as the 5070. So basically, if I'm really just, you know, like to play some good games and I really want to invest some bigger money, I don't have to go for the 50 series. I'm absolutely good with the 40 series if I really want to go with the high category GPU card. That's what I've been told. I don't know much more about it. They said I'm definitely fine with the 40 series because the 50 series are just not gonna give me that kind of difference which I'm having as a regular gamer. So if I would be streaming gaming, you know, and I would be like a huge gamer online, social media, whatever, maybe. But as a casual gamer, they said I have absolutely no need for the 50 series. So the maximum I should go with, they said, is the 40 series. So whatever, I don't know. I need to literally pay double from. Oh yeah. yeah, exactly, tutor. Yeah, so that's what the 4000 series. Yeah. Right now I have a 2070 Ti. 2070, guys. I have a 20, and I started it with a 1080. I started with a 1080. Now I have a 2070. But hey, everything runs great for my standards. Everything runs okay. I can play my favorite games with it, so no issue. Everything's fine, no problem. But they told me I shouldn't go higher than the 4000 series. Yeah, it's not worth it. 3080 is good, I heard. Ridiculous, yeah. AMD paying 2K monitor. Yeah, they also told me that if I really want to go like super hype, I would also need a monitor for that. So if I really want to have all the abilities used from that GPU card, it only comes out the best if I have the proper monitor for it. So if I have just a regular LCD monitor, it doesn't make a difference. So, and as the book computers, they will be you hiding. Yes, that's what I'm doing. So I already know a computer shop, and they can build it for me. You really don't need a super duper screen. Yeah, I just have like regular LED screen monitors, nothing special. But I'm not a pro gamer. I'm just a casual gamer. So they told me I definitely don't need the high-end card for that. There you go. 60 hertz. Exactly. No. Oh, hey there. Stocks with Pentium 4. Oh, wow. The Pentium 4s, I remember those. Yeah. Oh, 49-inch 49 curve OLED. Actually, I was thinking about that. The curved monitor, is it really good? I mean, you can see a lot of stuff there, right? At the same time. All right. I like it. I like the idea. What is happening here? That was a structure shift, by the way, and this was almost like a perfect 2022 entry model. Just saying. If I zoom it out for you, let me just show you. There was a very, 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 very tiny fair value gap here. Here. There was the fair value gap. Boom. There was the fair value gap. Market structure shift. Here. Entry. Limit order. Boom. I would put the stop loss somewhere here. And there was your trade. Thank you. And I missed it again. That was your entry. .132 megahertz clock speed. Oh, I remember those. I had the Pentium when I was a kid. It was a 486, 486, but the weak processor with the it's almost the name from Mortal Kombat. What's the name of that processor? Cyrix, or Cyrix processor, Cyrix MX processor. That's what I was having. It was a weak processor, but that was the cheaper one. And I think that was my first quote-unquote normal PC when I was a kid. But hey, I had the Commodore 64 and I had the Commodore Plus 4. Cyrix, yes, Cyrix. Exactly. But my first computer ever was a Commodore Plus 4. Not the 64, Plus 4. Commodore Plus 4. That was my first computer. Yes, with the cassette player. Commodore Plus 4 cassette player. Imagine that. Imagine that. Man, I'm old. Yeah. I'm old. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I am old. I am. Romanian HC90 Sinclair Spectrum. Whoa, I never even heard about it. My friend had a computer. Had a computer. It's called TV computer, actually. Here it is. Okay, I just found the picture. I had a friend of mine when I was a kid. And this is the computer he was having. This is the computer. It's called Videoton TV computer. Look at this. It has everything you need. It has a joystick as well. There you go, built in. What do you need more? This was the computer my friend had. Exactly the same. I heard about it, but I didn't know anyone who owned the next computer. Look for the HC90. I'm gonna look for an HC90. Sinclair. Let me search for it. HC90 computer. Jeez. What is this, man? What the hell is this? Hold on, I have to show this picture. Which one is a good picture here? It's a small picture. What the hell is this? Jesus. HC90. What is this the one? Oh my god. Is this a Romanian computer? It seems like, right? Or I don't know. Oh my god. It has a button that says graphics. I had an Adam computer. Tape drive. I'm gonna search for that too. Romanians are the best hackers. Let me check. Adam computer. What the hell? Well, I just realized we have some very old people in the stream. In the stream. Did you have this? This is the Adam computer. Hey, look at that. You have the cassette, the printer. Look at that. You can also play games, or I don't know what's this for. Can you play games with this, or what is this? You can do some EMP shock with this thing, or I don't know. And it has the floppy drive. Woo! This is very advanced. Actually, this is super advanced. This is a super advanced computer. Wow. And it looks actually very good. Look at it. It has the buttons for the keys with the arrows and the function keys built up there. And wow. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, you didn't have those. In television game control, yeah. 48 kilobyte RAM, no other memory. Oh my god. Breaker setup, yes. We had a breaker setup, sorry. This was a breaker, and this is also another breaker in the breaker. So if you want to scale in, you can still continue lower. I missed my entry, so I'm not entering. I totally missed my entry here. I should have entered here on this one. There was a small gap. The second entry to scale in was this one, in this gap. And the target for the short, I would say 505. Actually, I might enter for the stream, you know. Should I enter for the stream? Of course. I entered for the stream, and I'm going to target the 505. Because why not, you know. I'm going to add one more small, one more micro here to the position. If it gets higher, back to the gap. Actually, the original entry was up there. I don't have a stop loss on it yet. I'm still targeting that. Not this one. Let's get this out of here. I am targeting this low, 505.50. It's not a good entry. The only thing I'm willing to do, if it gets back to 72, I'm gonna add a sell limit with one more micro, and that's gonna average out my position a little bit, and that's gonna be it. I don't have a stop loss yet. I'm gonna wait for it to fill the order. Yeah, I'm totally missed. You know, talking too much about not trading. That's what happens. Uh, so yeah, the oldest computer I had in the 90s was the Macintosh. Oh, you're young. No, it's cool. Higher prices, yeah. Make you feel young. 49 here. Feel like you're that's the spirit, Red. That's the spirit. I still have my limit order there. Yeah, I missed it. My entry should have been up here. At least around somewhere around 82 or 80 something. So I'm definitely missed it. But it doesn't change the fact that I think the draw on liquidity should be breaking the 5-minute bullish order block, which is down there at 505. Unfortunately, I may have to suffer some drawdown on the way, so I'm prepared for that. But my bias for now, especially because we have a pre-market open still ahead of us, I'd like to see this one do an elevator move and just go down to take out the order block. But as I said, I might gonna have to suffer some drawdown. I'm willing to add 1 micro and that's it. Smiley, hello. How many trades a day do you take on average? I try to aim for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's what I try to aim for. But sometimes because of emotions, you know, or the market behavior, whatever, you know, everything comes into play. I tend to close the trade like earlier, or my entry is not too good. So in reality, my risk to reward is used to be around 1.4, 1.3 ish, 1.5, but I'm aiming for 1 to 2 as much as I can. And how many trades? Well, if I only look for, so if I'm not looking to scalp, then from these kind of setups that you see here, or the one that I took earlier on the stream, I'd like to take like maybe 2 trades in a session on average. Like if I take 2 winning trades, I'm definitely stopping for the session. If I have 2 winning trades, I'm done. At least on one account. And then what I can do, as I used to do, because I still addicted to adrenaline, I'm switching to a different account, and maybe, you know, I always have a funded account that I can go a little bit crazy. Not too much, but I can go like scalping or maybe take on the next trade. That's how I try to, you know, let go of some steam because I'm still addicted to the market. You know, what can I do? So I realized I cannot walk away, especially in the silver bullet hour or when the market is really moving, you know. I just can't leave the charts. I'm addicted. I'm sorry. I'm crazy. But what I can do is I can switch to a different account which is dedicated to be abused. And I can fool around on that one. I should stop that as well because that's building up bad behavior. But I always have like 2 or 3 funded accounts on the front line, which are my besties, the best, not the besties, but the best funded accounts. I'm trying to, you know, nourish them, you know, take care of those funded accounts. I always, you know, watch out for those. I always have like 2 or 3 accounts like this that I'm really only taking the best trades that I see. Now those are different. $5.50. Yeah, it could bounce. You had to say it. You had to say it. 3,200 in Bulenox account. 50 due to commission. Oh. Yeah, that tells me how much you scalp, Jay. All right. We are addicted, yes. Yes, Red Pill, we are all addicted. We are just addicted. Anyway. Oh my god. I'm sorry, excuse me. I slept so badly. How do they say it in English? My neck. I slept my neck or something like that. Not snipped, snapped. Slept. I slept like in a crazy position and my neck is hurting like crazy. Oh. I mean, I might have to go to a massage or something. I don't know. Not for the happy ending or anything. So that's a different thing. Oh man. Stiff neck, yeah. Yeah. I just wanted to say that clearly before anyone, says it first. Good morning, X Futures. Doing great, doing great. Good to see you. Slept on my neck, yeah. The cheapest prop firm is Bulenox currently with upfront cost. With activation, it's MyFundedFutures. MyFundedFutures Starter Plus. And let me say this, if any one of you guys or gals are new in MyFundedFutures, which the current promo is that the Starter Plus account has a 25% discount for the new customers. So if you are brand new with MyFundedFutures, you choose the Starter Plus, you can get your first account 25% off, but only Starter Plus. Just saying. So that's for new clients for MyFundedFutures. You can use my code as well. It works. If you type in Tom Sabo, it should be giving you the welcome bonus, if I may say that. So with activation fees, because there is none, I would say MyFundedFutures Starter Plus. How much is the Starter Plus? Hold on. Let me, because Take Profit Trader might be a better deal. MyFundedFutures Starter Plus, never mind. Yeah, it's cheaper. The 50k Starter Plus is 127. Take Profit Trader is how much? 134. How much is the Take Profit Trader right now? Oh no, Take Profit Traders. Jesus. Take Profit Trader is $119. I take it back. You can only get cheaper on Starter Plus if you are a new customer at MyFundedFutures. It's my mistake. I apologize. The cheapest, including activation fee, is Take Profit Trader. Sorry. Why skip the best part? Why was your girlfriend on your neck? It's confidential, Camille. Bulenox $148 on the 50k. 119 right now. Yeah, sorry, my mistake. So the cheapest one, including activation fee, which is none, is Take Profit Trader 50k account. No activation fee with the discount, 119. And it has been confirmed. The best code, at least one of the best. If you use the cheat code TomSabo, it's definitely increasing your odds if you use my code to pass the accounts. No joke. It's really it's a fact actually. So why is they using intraday instead of end of day? I guess that's kind of a business decision on their end, because I think they have the numbers and they see, lots of traders. I think they get the funded account. They might over leverage, and obviously prop firms are making money from failed accounts, right? That's what they do. So let's not forget about that. Prop firms are making money from failed accounts. Just keep that in mind. And obviously it's harder to pull through until the safety net with an intraday trading. That's the bit of a catch in the thing. But I think it's not that big a deal if you go for base hits, and then it turns into a static account. Yeah, so MyFundedFutures Admirals, I agree. In that manner, yeah, Starter Plus has end of day, but it's gonna lock in at Take Profit Trader. Yeah, the trailing, Red Pill, the intraday trailing can get you there. I don't have a stop loss, by the way, on this trade still. Still no stop loss on it. Yeah, I mean, and actually, if you go with the starter account, hold on, I totally forgot the starter account. Oh no, the starter account is the cheapest. Sorry, everybody. The 50K starter account, $97. It has a daily loss limit and no activation fee. $97. I'm not sure if you can try my code. It might give you a discount, but there is no other discount yet. Still, it's $97 with no activation fee. The starter 50K. Yeah. So that's it. End of day trailing, but you have a daily loss limit, soft breach, of $1,200. All right, 40% consistency rule. That's the cheapest one, yeah. Man, changing all these prices all over the time. Yeah, exactly, Red Pill. Yeah, better for a new trader. But if you just want to step in, you know, wet your feet with these future prop firms, then I suggest, and if you're especially new in trading, I suggest to go for a cheap upfront cost prop firm like Bulenox or Apex. There's still a sale going on, you know, cheap upfront cost. You might blow up your account, so you don't want to lose that much in the first round. So you can get an account for $15 or $33, and you know, less stress. If you're absolutely new, just want to try it out, then yeah. Leah, I still don't know what happened. What happened? Lost it for 8 years. I never had a problem. Yeah, I know you were mentioning it, but what really happened? They just disabled it, or what? What is really? They're not. I don't know. Yeah, you have to check support. I'm sorry, that's a payout. So you might have to ask support about that. Yeah, so if you're brand new in trading, especially with prop firms, let's just be honest, you know, there's a 99% that you're going to blow your first evaluation account. So it's better to go with a very cheap upfront cost account like Bulenox. Yeah, I know, Robert. Maybe the eval, but the activation fee, yes, I know. That's why I said it. It's better for a brand new trader. So if you're brand new with prop firms, then you might be better with the cheap upfront cost, because statistically speaking, you're gonna blow the account. Exactly. Cannot even go to your account. So you cannot log into the website. Then you have to send an email to them. Send an email. Or if you were using algorithmic scalping, they might have banned your account. I don't know. Yeah, that's also... Let's see if I forgot to... Someone in the chat. Dark Cloud, did I forget to say hello? If I did, then sorry, then hello. Welcome. Good to see you, Dark Cloud. I have a selective reading here on chat sometimes. I focus everywhere. When you are counting, they are not even reached the activation. Yes, that's the business, you know. That's the business model that we are in. Man, I do feel a FOMO here. I do feel a FOMO because you know, I could have entered also here. Put my stop up there. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Boom. 2 opportunities missed. But anyway. Still hoping for the downside here. So this has now become a lower probability trade, because even if I would have entered up there or here, I would have hit my TP right now. So from here, it's just hope. Oh yeah, by the way, pre-market open. Totally forgot. We have the pre-market open here. Bouncing back up there. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Oh man. Come on. Should have thought so. But what can we do? Excuse me. Still waiting. Oh, come on. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's not good. I missed my opportunity earlier, so it's just gonna push it up there. Let me look at the 5-minute real quick. Nice rejections from down there. Well, I tried. This is what happens when you miss your entry and you try to F around too much. You F around, you find out, you know. Is better Asia than New York session? Well, I would say that with NASDAQ, I would say New York session still has much better price action in my opinion, but gold, I would say, is very good, for example, in Asia session. That's what I think, but obviously I'm not trading that much, actually nothing in Asia. I was thinking to maybe do some Asia session trades, but I always check the charts, you know, I rewind some sometimes, and and I see that there are some decent moves happening in Asia session. So hard to say. At least the good news is in Asia session is that there's no news. Like the markets are closed in the States. Sometimes maybe Trump says something, but but you know, it's pretty calm and decent. London is the best for gold. Yeah. Was this on this session? Was it all-time high again? I mean, there was an all-time high up there, right? That was in December, if that's what you're saying. Did you see NASDAQ all-time high again, or recession? I don't think that the recession has started or something, at least not yet. I'd say that the markets are basically unstoppable. They might have a correction, but it seems like that both ES and NASDAQ, they're just going. No stopping. Yeah, there are lots of volatility in New York. So as I was saying in the Asia session, I think has its own, you know, specialty or charm, because it's quiet, you know. It's quiet, it's calm, you know, and the algorithm just doing its job, you know, respecting the levels better than in New York session maybe. So that's why I think Asia session has its own specialty. Yeah, 10 points in a few seconds. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it was due to to news event, basically the tariffs. I don't see any sign of recession right now. Everything is just super bullish. Man, this market, wow. I was hoping that it will spike lower, but the 15-minute, no. 15-minute looks interesting. There is liquidity at 69, unfortunately. Might go up there to take my stop. I'm still thinking to add one more micro, and I'm just gonna leave it on for later if it wants to take out that order block down there. I still haven't decided yet. I still haven't decided yet if I consider this as a swing trade for the day. Yeah. Yeah, it's range trading, yeah. Yeah, pretty much. That's the issue here. Man, what is going on? I might have to close this trade. It wants to go for 70, I guess. There's a 5-minute liquidity there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm closing down the trade. I don't like this. I think it wants to go up to 70. So I closed it. I missed my entry Could have been good. Look at that. That's the problem when I'm not focusing, you know. So here, let me change it to a short position. So I should have put my stop, for example, here. And my TP is down there. Look at that. Risk to reward. Boom. This would have been the trade. This here. And I missed it. So now it wants to get back to 71 for liquidity, or 70. It wants to go back. And the other entry that I said was up here. It was a tiny little gap at 86. Perfect entry up there also. So 2 entries missed. I still think the draw on liquidity would be 505, but it might want to reach up for the 70s. Last month I've been trading the 5-minute time frame. I've been losing a lot more than... Oh, really? Well, the problem, I mean, the 5-minute is, I think, is good. The issue is that less setups, and it can actually play with your mind a lot. But yeah, that's why it's everybody sees it differently. So gold dumping. Oh, let's check on gold. Ooh, I kind of like this, by the way. Small shift. Small shift here. Maybe I should take a trade on this one. How about that? 3 micros. Do I have a gold somewhere opened up? Maybe I'm gonna open up a gold chart on Bulenox. All right. I'm gonna put a... look at that, going for the 70. I'm gonna put a sell limit on gold at... Actually, it went up there. Dude. Let me put this right there. All right. I just entered the market order sell on a Bulenox account. Okay. But it might go higher. Back to here. What's it gonna do, I wonder? What's it gonna do? All right, gold is going a little bit higher. Is this gonna go lower or what? I'm actually thinking of it. Let me look at this closer. Is it gonna try to go lower? I'm not sure. It got rejected on that gap, but man, that is interesting move. That's an interesting move from NQ here. Nissim, hey there. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat. Let me get back with it. So that's scaling. Yeah, exactly. Might be a macro correlation. There could be, but look at that. Are we gonna go down for the 505? I wonder. I'm actually tempted to jump in on a okay, terrible entry again, but on a different account this time. Enter the sell on a evaluation account. Trying to look for that 505. And I'm in a short on gold too. I'm going to show you in a second. Maria, good morning. Good to see you. Hello. Just responded. They say my account is set to be approved at market close today. Oh. And they said they are really backed up. Oh, I see. Okay. Nice. Yeah, so they are doing it manually. Seems like they're really behind. But hey, you're going to get it. Pentas a chick MACD trading up would rather buy dips. Yeah, I might gonna go higher. Where is my trade? I have a Bulenox gold trade somewhere. Here. That's the Bulenox gold trade. And hold on, I have to find the and this is the short. But these are evaluation accounts, so I'm okay with it. Super aggressive. I like to see the gold drop. That would be nice. And this one too. I still like the 507, but we'll see. I'd say that 32. Okay, I like that. I do like the gold trade. That is a good one. I'm okay with this one. 23.6 on gold, and this one going to the dumpster, of course. But the gold trade, I like it. I like the gold trade. Okay, I'm out from that short. It's going higher. How far is it gonna reach? I wonder. Let me get this off here. What's it gonna do when it comes for you? Bad market. Yeah. It's definitely coming for me now. The only savior is the gold trade that I have. But wow, look at this push, man. Obviously, I missed the entry, so that's why I was just fooling around on a Bulenox Eval. But yeah, it's just gonna go higher. Look at this. How far is that from the top? 20 points. Is it gonna break it? I think it will. I think it will. Yeah, especially because, yeah, we have the 6. Oh my god, I totally forgot about that. There's a 5-minute bearish order block here. 614. I overlooked that. Well, doesn't matter. The gold trade is still good. Down and up, easy. MMX buy models. Yeah, it seems like it. I'd say 609 could be a good target here. But I'm just not jumping, and I don't have the range for it. And since I missed up those two beautiful entries, no. No. That's a no. Oh man. What is happening? Oh, actually the gold is looking good. The gold is looking nice. 2923.6 should be taken. Hopefully. If not, then not. Yeah, almost up there. 9 points. It's gonna go. It should break the upside. Alright, what else? Gold is still there. Not much is happening here. Yeah, I don't think I want to call a trade here. So I think I'm going to call the stream here, everybody. Yeah, I don't want to enter anything else. I think we had a very, very good session. I liked it. I'm going to leave this trade on gold. Let's see what it does. But anyway, I'm going to call it here, and I'll be back for the New York session. We'll see if I can start a little bit earlier. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. It was a good one. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Natasha. And what can I say? If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use my code. It works everywhere. The same Tom Sabo code goes for most of these platforms, except Tradeify. If you'd like to get Tradeify, please click on my link first, and then use the actual monthly code, which is MAR for March for the best discount. Anyway, check out my blog at Tom Sabo Biz or Pip Ninja. You can read about the current Take Profit Trader promo and discount and some other stuff. Anyway, thank you. God bless you all. I'll be back for the New York session. All right. Thank you so much, Dan, and everybody. Thank you, Naomi. All right. Cheers. God bless.